Well, hello and welcome to another edition of Magic Words. I'm your host, Jonas Cain, and today we're talking about the fourth E in the 5 E's of positive influence. We talked about engage, empower, encourage. Today, very important magic word. The magic word is enjoy. We so often put off our happiness. We put off enjoying our lives until we accomplish X, Y, or Z. Oh, I'll enjoy myself when I've lost 50 pounds. I'll enjoy myself when I put on more muscle, or when I finally find a spouse, or when I finally get rid of my spouse, or I'll enjoy my life when I have a new car or a new job, or when the kids are out of the house, or when I finally have kids. Whatever the case may be, we so often avoid enjoying life until someday, well, let me tell you, someday might never come. So we may as well enjoy the journey along the way, which is why this is so important. This is important for ourselves, to be a positive influence in our own lives, but also to have a positive influence in the lives of others. When others see us enjoying life, they're going to wonder, what can I do to get what they have? And the simple answer to that is engagement, empowerment, and encouragement. It's very simple. Next time, we'll talk about the last E of positive influence. Until then, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive. I hope you're enjoying this series of videos. Please be sure to leave a comment and share this video so that others can benefit from it as well. And as always, if you have something you'd like to share with me personally, you may email me at jonas@positivitymagic.com.